Hello, workaholic. This is Kim, and welcome back to my channel. It's a new day, new video, and new learning for everyone. If you are new to my channel, I talk about freelancing, virtual assistant, and work from home tips. So, if you are interested to learn and earn, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Okay, in this video, I will show you how to play fruit roulette, and this is my style of playing. So let's say, for example, let's assume that this is the fruit roulette columns and rows. So in the upper section, you can see the four rows na matataas yung panalo times 38 times 28 times 8 and times 10. And then sa baba niyan is lahat sila times 5 lang. Okay? So let's say, for example, tataya ka ng 1,000 sa cherry. So times 38 yan. Ang magiging panalo mo kung lalabas yung cherries time is 38,000. And the next naman is yung mango. If tataya ka ng 1,000, you will win 28,000. And then next is yung strawberry. If tataya ka ng 1,000, you will win 18,000 kasi times 18 po siya. And then sa grapes naman, times 10. Pag tumaya ka ng 1,000 kasi, magiging panalo mo is 10,000. Now, sa baba naman, lahat po sila, 5 times 5 lang po, pare-pareho. So, if ever tataya ka ng 1,000, kahit ano sa kanila, times 5 is equivalent to 5,000 coins. Now, based on my observation, lahat po sila na nasa baba palaging lumalabas. Either one of them lumalabas sila. Okay? And then, sa itaas naman po, minsan lang sila lumalabas. The yung magandang side pag lalabas yung itaas is tuloy-tuloy po yan sila. Hindi po straight like all taas na lang lalabas, hindi. Like lalabas lalabas yung cherry and then followed by apple and orange and then grapes naman and banana and melon and then mango naman. So ganun po yung style nila kapag lalabas na po yung mga nasa itaas. And meron din akong napansin na meron pong straight 3 times po. Kahit ano dyan na prutas, straight po silang lumalabas. But this is only rare event po. Minsan lang po talaga to nangyayari. And then, another one, straight 4 times po. Kahit ano sa kanila na nasa itaas ng mga prutas, straight 4 times. And sa tagal ko na naglalaro ng pupo, 4 times lang po talaga yung pinakamahaba niyang panalo sa itaas na straight. Now, this is the way I play. So, hindi pa ako tumataya sa upper section or sa mga matataas yung mga panalo. Tumataya pa ako sa ibaba kasi nga they're always lalabas po sila palagi. And then um parang constant po silang lumalabas. So let's say for example, we have 50,000 na capital. So, yung ginagawa ko is tatayaan ko lahat ng nasa baba. Example, tataya ako ng 10 coins on each prutas. So, 50,000 minus 40 is 49,960 po yung remaining balance ko. Let's say for example, lumabas po isa sa kanila, either melon, apple, orange, or banana, isa sa kanila lalabas, meron po akong panalo na 50 coins. Now, yung remaining balance ko po is, I'm sorry if mabilis yung pagkasalita ko ha. Just leave a comment kung meron kayo hindi naiintindihan so I can explain further. Alright, so, tataya po ako ng, sana ako. So, yun na, nanalo ako ng 50 coins. So, yung gagawin ko para malaman ko if meron akong profit is I'm going to add yung remaining balance ko na 49,960 plus 50. So, I will have 50,100 coins. So, meron akong profit na 10 coins. 50,010 coins. So, again, may profit ako na 10 coins. Let's say, for example, hindi lumabas yung nasa baba, okay, na tagtan yung taya natin. We will taya again 50 coins on each mango, or on each prutas, on each prutas. So, a total of 200 po ang taya natin. So, we are going to calculate it para malaman natin kung meron tayong profit. So, from 49,960 minus 200, kasi yan po yung current na taya natin, ang magiging remaining balance natin is 49,760. Let's say for example, nanalo po tayo finally. So times 5 yan. So 50 times 5 is 250. Now, we are going to add the remaining balance, which is 49,760 plus 250. It will become it will become 50,010 coins. So we have a profit of 10 coins. And then, as I've said a while ago, that 4 times po yung pinakamataas na straight talo or straight labas ng nasa upper section. So, next nga tayo, if ever matalo po yung 50-50 on each prutas sa baba, next po natin na taya is amount of 300 coins on each prutas, a total of 1,200. And this is 100% effective na formula kasi lahat ito po ay tested ko na na-try ko na po ito. So if ever tataya kayo ng 300 on each prutas sa baba, paglalabas po iyan, meron po kayong profit na kukuha. And then naka-question mark po yung nasa baba kasi yung other ko po na amount na tinataya is only for my members lang. However, if you want naman po na makataya kayo, malaman nyo kung how much po yung itataya if ever natalo po yung 300, just follow my previous formula. Calculate nyo lang po sila. Make sure po na yung amount na tatayaan nyo is makaka-profit kayo. Take your time sa pagka-calculate po. And then, ideal time to play. For me kasi lahat naman po sila ideal time. However, kung gusto mo talaga na tumaya doon sa itaas, yung 38 times, 28 times, 18 times 10, ideal time to play is midnight. So, pagpatak po ng alas 12, most of the time, lalabas na po yung palagi. Palagi po yung lumalabas yung mga nasa itaas. Hindi po straight ha. Like, lalabas, tapos sa baba naman, then sa itaas naman, ganyan po. Just observe it para malaman nyo kung ano po yung style nila, ano po yung pattern nila kung kailan sila lalabas. So, as for me, tumataya ako sa baba lang talaga. And then yung capital ko is around 50,000 lang. And yung 50,000 ko is tumutubo talaga siya. And I think that would be it. If you have any question po kung paano or nalilito pa rin kayo, just leave a comment section so I can explain further, or you can message me on my Pupu account, and this is my Pupu ID number. You can also follow me para if you have any questions, and you can ask me if you have any questions there. And what else? Yeah, if you don't have any agency, you can join us and let's play and win together. And yeah, thank you so much. And sana manalo kayo. Have a great day, everyone. And yes, for more side hustle tips, make sure that you subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be updated on my next video. Peace.